Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to fix Messenger Autoseen on your Android device. For that, watch the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel if you have not subscribed, and also turn on the notification bell so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a video. Sometimes Seen is an annoying feature for people who are concerned about their privacy on Facebook. If someone sends you a message and you open that via the Facebook Messenger application on your iPhone or in Android, the sender will get a seen notice. If you don't want this to happen, that means you read the message but you do not let the sender know that you have read the message. There is no straightforward way to get this done. However, there's a cool trick that you can just come in handy. So let's check it out. First, you need to turn on your aeroplane mode. And after turning it on, you can simply visit your messenger. After opening your messenger, you can read the message without letting the person know that you have actually read their message. So here I'm going to open this message, and after reading that, I'm going to quit the messenger, and by swiping the app card, I'm going to turn off the aeroplane mode. So this is how you guys can fix your Autoseen problem on your messenger. This sounds silly, but this is the only trick that works like a charm for now. I hope the tutorial was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment down below in the comment box if you have any question or feedback for us. I will be soon back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you so much guys for watching.